Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like the video. So today we're going to learn how to edit or do some basic editing in Mac computers by using iMovie. So first of all, if you don't have the iMovie I'm talking about, you can go to this app store here, write iMovie and press enter. You can see the application I'm talking about is this one, iMovie. So I have it downloaded already in my launchpad here. Here it is. So I just have to double click on this and adjust the size of this one. And from here we will create our own video project. So we have to click on this one, go to movie here, click on that, and here is the timeline. We have to drag and drop the video or videos we want to edit. So I have some videos here which I want to edit. Let me drag one of them and drop it here. Yes, here we go. Now as you can see, this video is dropped in the timeline here. So if you want to adjust the timeline, is from here to make it bigger or smaller as you want. Here we go. So first of all, if you want to make this video into 2 or more portions, what you have to do, you have to come here, click on this one, go to modify and split clip. Now we have 2 portions of the video. As you can see, I can select the first portion and the second portion. And what we have to do first, if you need to add a title to your video at the beginning, you can come here, press this title and drag this one, drop it at the beginning. Here we have a title for 4 seconds. You can also edit the title name, like let's say my movie, and come here to save it. Now this will play for 4 seconds before the video start. But if you want to add some kind of titles on top of your own videos, you can also use, for example, this one, drag this one, drop it here, which you can also edit if you want, like let's say part 1. Yes, and save it here. You can also increase its duration, like until this place. You can add the duration from here. Let me try to get it so that until this, anytime this portion of the video is playing, you will still see this part 1 down here. So what we can do also is, for example, between the videos, we can add some transition. So, well, if you want to add some transition, you come to this transition here, and we can use, for example, this one, spin in. We click on it, we drag it, so we have the transition. And you can also double click on transition, see the duration here. It will last for 1 second. Let's see if we can add it. We can adjust. This one we have to leave it like this one. And yes, some transitions you can, for example, adjust the duration, but some you can't, for example. And at the end here, you can also add like something like fade out if you want, or something like that to end the video, let me find something, or closing, or we can add this closing circle or cross zoom or whatever we can add. For example, let me decide, let's take this one, closing circle at the end. And what you want to do, if you want to test your videos here and play, you have to bring your cursor, for example, wherever you want, and click there and press the space bar. Let me come here, for example, and now press the space bar. You will see the videos playing, so you can test your videos. You can pause it also by pressing on the space bar, and I can check from here to here how the transition is going. And come here, click on this, hit the space bar, and we have to check this transition. Yes, as you see here, it was this spin in. We can also check this one, the circle close at the end, and see how it will play out. Yes, also at the beginning here, let's test our title here, my movie, as I told you, for 4 seconds. Then this part 1 will play because we have it adjusted for this portion here. And if you want to add some audios, for example, we can come to this place, check an audio which has a long duration, for example, for at least 1 minute. Let's take this one, for example, click on that. We can add it here. We can also adjust its duration so that it will just play this way, so we can test it and see how it will play. As you see here, the video is playing and our audio is also playing as planned. So this is the way you can also add an audio if you want. Yes. And what we have to do again, if for example you want to add, for example, if you want to check your video, if you want to adjust the volume of your audio here, you can see this one is set to 100%. You can also go to 400%. Yes, how about the color? You can also set the color here for automatic if you want. For example, let's say here, color automatic. So this one will choose the perfect color for us if we want. And at the end, if you want to save what you have edited and maybe send it to the platform you want to send it, you have to come here, project, and press this one, put the name you want, movie one, we can say edited, and click this one. So now we have it here, movie one, edited. We press this small circle with 3 dots here and to share the project. First, usually I save it in my computer before I send it to the platform I want to send it. So to save it here, you can press this file here and check the resolution if it is okay, then the quality high, the compress if it is fast, then next. It will prompt you where do you want to save your video or your video project. So you save it to the place you want to save it, and then you are good to go.